Hi guys, good evening everyone. We're gonna have those kind of questions. For example, here you have got three people. Listen everybody very carefully. Here you have got three people, and here you have to select two people for sitting. You wanted to arrange two people from these three people. What? I'm asking you. You are supposed to arrange. You are supposed to arrange two people from these three people. What do you call yesterday? 3P2. This is what we learned. 3P2. I hope you all know that. Yes or no? That's good. So what is this 3P2? बच्चों बोलो 3P2 क्या होता है? 6. The value of 3P2 is 6. Shall I show you all the 6 ways? The 6 ways are what? AB can also be arranged, or AC can also be arranged, or BC can also be arranged. Are you understanding, guys? Yes. And one more arrangement, BA can also be arranged. People can sit in this way also, not AC. People can sit in the form of CA also. People can sit in the form of CB also. Are you understanding, everybody? What is this we call, students? We call this as what? Arrangements. How many ways two people can be arranged from 3? 3P2. That is 3P2 value is 3 into 2. That is 6. Yes. Okay, so same three people we are selecting, we are getting arrangement, it is 3P2. If same three people, A, B, C are there, you are supposed to select two people. Are you understanding, everybody? If you wanted to select two people from these three people, we are selecting what? Not 3P2, that is 3C2. What is this 3P2 and what is this 3C2? Let me just tell you. P means nothing but permitting, arranging all that. C is nothing but selecting. So how do you select? I'll tell you. Three people went for an interview, but you have to select only two people. So the first selection can be AB, or else you can have AC, or you can have BC. Are you understanding, everybody? Do you think, students, when you select AB, do you think BA can also be selected once again? No, that is wrong. When you select AB, you cannot select BA. But in arrangement, that is okay. In arrangement, Vilas was saying, AB, BA, both are different arrangements. A will sit first, B will sit next. In the second arrangement, B will sit first and A will sit next. That is the one. But in selections, it is not true. AB is one selection. You cannot say, sir, I'm selecting two people again. Those are BA. No, that is wrong. Following, everybody, when you select AC, you cannot select CA once again. When you select BC, you can't select CB once again. So this is not valid in combinations. This is valid in arrangements. So what is this? This is arrangements. So let me just tell you once again. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. What is this? This is arrangement. From arrangement, if you remove the like cases, AB, BA, both are like. From arrangements, if you remove the like cases, rest of all will be combinations, nothing else. What is this total we call, students? This total we call it as arrangements. So when you remove these cases, it will set to be selections. This is set to be selections. Understanding, everybody? So how to do that one? How to do that one? Very simple, guys. We have to use not NPR. This time we are using NCR. What is NCR? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. But one extra thing will be coming here, that is R factorial. This R factorial is there here. Otherwise, both are same. N factorial by N minus R factorial, N factorial by N minus R factorial, both are same. These two are selections only. Sorry, these two are arrangements only. But for this, if you add just one R factorial, then it will become what? From selections, it will become what? From arrangements, it will become what? Selections. From arrangements, it will become selections. How to come from arrangement to selections? Only one difference. You are supposed to remove the like cases. If I teach you all these things once again, guys, you all tell me, what is this? Arrangement. If you remove the like cases, what is this? Selection. Understood the basic difference what I'm telling you? Okay. So I'll repeat once again. Clear, students, guys. First you have to do permutation. Then you have to do this thing. This is said to be what? What it is said to be? It is said to be what? When you remove the like cases, it will become selections. Now it's good from app. Prasanna Kumar is saying. Maybe No, guys, one small thing is that some people use a hotspot sometimes, from mobile to laptop. There the connection will be slow. Try to understand that. Prasanna Kumar, are you using the hotspot or Wi-Fi? Prasanna Kumar? I want your, like a solution actually, is it the bug directly? Kind of bug happens, it will happen to everybody. If chat box is not working, it will not work for everybody. If video is stuck, it will not stuck. It will happen for everybody. From system end. If your internet connection is slow, you have to check from your end. That's the one thing, okay? Okay, no worries, Prasanna Kumar. Okay, try to come from app. Don't use a hotspot if you are using. Okay, everybody? Chaliye. Let's try to move forward, everybody. So what is P? What is C? So this is P. This is C. How to come from P to C? Only one small minute difference. What is one small minute difference, guys? If you use this R factorial, then this will be small difference. Tell me the reason for dividing for R factorial. That's very simple. I'll tell you once again, what is this? First, you have to do arrangements. When you divide by R factorial, it means that this we have learned yesterday. We are removing the like cases. If you wanted to remove the like cases, we are supposed to divide. Yesterday, I told you. That's the reason we are dividing it. Once you divide, these all cases will be gone. Only selections will be there. That's it. Are you understanding, everybody? Dheeraj says, yeah, we have to remove the like cases. Are you understanding? I have told you this is what, how many people are here? 3. In this 3 people, you have to select 2 people. So if you select 2 people, what is the way? How many ways you can select, guys? 3C2. So we are not formula dependent. You all know that we are not using all these formulas much. Following, everybody. How to do it? Tell me how to do 3P2. The way to do 3P2 is 3 into 2. That's it. You know how to do permutation. But if you divide by R factorial, what is R value? 2. If you divide by 2 factorial, 1 into 2, this P will become C. That's it. Following, everybody? Don't use a formula for solving all these things. Suppose they're going to ask you, 10C3. So for doing 10C3, first you do 10P3. You all know that. How to do 10P3? That is 10 into 9 into 8. You all know that. This is 10P3. If you divide it by this thing, R factorial. What is R here? 3. 3 factorial you are supposed to divide. This is the last step of this formula. When you use a formula, the last step will be this one. Following, everybody? When the last step is this one, why do we use a formula? Let's do the last step. That's it. Same fashion, what happens here? A team of how many students are there here? 5 boys and 3 girls. Are you understanding? You are supposed to use 5 students over here. From this all group of 8, you are supposed to use 5. But the team of 5 students consists of exactly 3 boys. Are you understanding, guys? Exactly means exactly. Not more, not less. There should be exactly 3 boys. Can we select exactly 3 boys, guys? Yes. When we select 3 boys, we want 5 students. That is the condition. Don't worry about that. But in the team of that, there should be exactly 3 boys. When you select 3 boys, do you think some more people should be selected? 2. You want a team of 5. Principal told that you have to select 3 boys. When you select 3 boys, remaining 2 people are still pending, guys. So do you have any idea who are the remaining 2? The remaining 2 should be whom? Girls. That's it. So you have to select how many boys? You have to select 3 boys. And you have to select 2 girls. So guys, how many ways we can select 3 boys from 5 boys? 5 boys are there. How many ways we can select 3 boys? That's very simple. 5C3. And also 2 girls, guys. And also 2. And whenever and comes, we have to multiply all the cases. And also 2 girls from 3 girls. So what's the answer? 3C2. I hope you all people have understood this. Yes or no? Clear? So this is the way. So how to do 5C3? 5C3. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. Into 3 into 2 by 1 into 2. 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. This is 10. This is 3. Oh no, 30 ways. How many ways, guys? 30 ways we can. Yes, University, that's good. 30 ways we can. 30 ways means like I'll tell you one way. First boy, second boy, third boy. 3 boys. Out of 5 boys, 3 boys, 2 girls. G1, G2. This is one way. Second way. Same. B1, B2, B3. But this time not girl 1, girl 2. This time I am not doing girl 1, girl 2. I am doing girl 2, girl 3. This is the third case. Like B1, B2, B3. First 3 boys I am selecting. Or else G1, G3. Third case. If you keep on writing like this, it can be B1, B5, B5, B4. G1, G2. You can select any 3 boys, you can select any 2 girls. When you make all the combinations, multiplication, and means multiply. Multiply all these cases, you will be getting how much? You'll be getting how much? You'll be getting, okay, it's 5C3. I mean, say, I have done wrong. It's 5C3, okay. Yeah, it's still same. Answer is still same. It's 5C3 divided by 3 factorial. Okay, here. Yes, Kiran, I have done a small mistake over there. 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. It's one of the same. 10 cases into 3 cases. That is 30 cases. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? So I have done something for you. You have to do something for me. Chale, let me just try to ask you to do one more question, guys. Do this question, everybody. Exactly one girl, which you can do it very easily. Okay, it's not that big deal. What permutation? मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें, धीरज. Chaliye, it's 15. People are saying 15. How 15, guys? Exactly one girl. One girl have to be there. So, but principal told already 5 students should be there. When one girl you are selecting, definitely the remaining 4 should be whom? Boys. Are you understanding? Remaining 4 should be boys. Are you understanding, everybody? So, like this. What's that? 5C4 into what? Into, and also 3C1. Are you understanding? Clear? Now, so 5C4 value is 5. Okay, everybody. And 3C1, 3. That is 15 ways. 15 ways we can select. Dheeraj, just try to have this kind of, like this thing. Okay, Dheeraj. We're going to have here B1, B2, B3, B4. Are you understanding, everybody? Dheeraj? Here we're going to have B1, B2, B3, B4. And also along with that, we are supposed to select one girl. Are you understanding? That girl is what? G1. Are you all understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Now, let's try to move across. Dheeraj, you said that why it is not arrangement. Okay, why it is not permutation. Dheeraj, this is one way of selection now. So, Dheeraj, can you say you can select B2, B1, B4, B3 and G1? You said B1, 2, 3, 4 and G1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and G1. Dheeraj, can you say 2, 1, 4, 3 and G1? No, you can't. Because selecting B1, B2, B3, B4 is same like selecting B2, B1, B4, B3. Same team. But you change the people in order. Do you think in selections order matters, Dheeraj? No, it doesn't matter. Following, everybody? That's the reason we are not doing P. If you make P, you get a lot of cases. 4P, 5P4, that is 120, means 360 cases. You know what is this 360 cases? All are like cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 3. Cases are same. That's the reason we don't do all that. Are you understanding? Clear? Chaliye, it's not like Dheeraj, okay? Many people may have a doubt in this thing, okay? Anyways, guys, I would like to ask you one more question, right? Let's receive one more question. Exactly one boy he told. Are you understanding, guys? Selected, okay? 5 students are there. So when you select one boy, guys, if you select one boy, do you think we have to select more 4 whom? Girls. When you select one boy, you have to select 4 more girls. Are you understanding, everybody? You have to select 4 more girls. Are you understanding, everybody? Can you select 4 girls from 3 girls? Exactly no. Reshma is saying exactly no. So answer is what? 0. Don't say not possible. Answers will be there in the option, that is 0. Are you understanding, guys? Yeah. Clear? No answer, sir. That's what I tell you, Prasanna Kumar. No answer, it's not there. Answer is there, Prasanna Kumar. 0. 0 cases. 0 ways we can select. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's what. So this is a proper way of selection. In selections, they will not ask you the question, diesel by 2, diesel by 3, vowels are together, vowels are not together, more than 300, less than 600. All these conditions will not come in selections. Those all things will be there in permutations. Relative places should be same, something like that. All these things will be there in that. Are you understanding, everybody? Hopefully, you all people are understanding this. Okay, now let's try to move ahead and just try to ask you one simple thing over here. Okay, I'm going to give you one question. I just wanted to ask this condition. Same. Are you understanding? 5 boys and 3 girls we have to select, but new question, students. Let me just try to ask you, what is this new question? The new question is what? I don't want exactly 2 boys. Guys, I want at least 2 boys. Guys, I want at least 2 boys and at least 2 girls. Are you understanding? What do you mean by at least 2 boys means what, guys? Minimum 2 boys you are supposed to maintain. Out of the team of 5, you should maintain minimum 2 boys. Chalo, you can select 1 boy. No, I don't want to select 1. Minimum 2. So let me just put 2 boys. If you maintain 2 boys, remaining should be whom, guys? Girls. How many girls? 3. Why you are supposed to get these 3? It's a total 5 students. You have to satisfy the total team of 5. When you select exactly 2 boys, 2, 3. Isn't it, everybody? Now let me ask you, is this minimum 2? Yes, sir. Is this minimum 2? Yes, sir. Both are minimum 2. Minimum 2 boys and minimum 2 girls. So like this, we can just try to get it. But Pinvarshi says that this is not just one case. So if you want 5 students, you may have one more case. What is the one more case, guys? What is the one more case? You increase the number of boys to 3. You increase the number of boys to 3. You decrease the number of girls to 2. So do you think this is also minimum 2? Yes. This is also minimum 2? Yes. This way also you can select. At least 2 is here also. At least 2 is here also. Are you understanding, guys? At least 2 is here also. At least 2 is here also. Either you can select the team of 2, 3. Or you can select the team of 3, 2. Are you understanding? Either you select the team of 2, 3. Or you select the team of 3, 2. Are you understanding, everybody? Or else you have one more case, guys. If you wanted to select 5 students, you have one more case. 4, 1. This is also possible. You can select 4 boys and 1 girl also. I don't know whether you will support the last case or not. Please tell me the reason why this is wrong. Please tell me, guys. 4 boys and 1 girl. Tell me why it is wrong. Yes, minimum 2 girls are not satisfied here. Sir, you are selecting this one. Minimum 2 boys are okay. 4 boys means minimum 2 are satisfying. But do you think on the other hand, minimum 2 are there? Not okay. So that's the reason this case is ruled out. That's the reason this case is ruled out. Means either you select 2 boys, 3 girls, or, what? Shall I shout once again? Or, we say or. Or, guys, means one more case. Following, everybody? Chaliye. So how to do it here? 5C2. Guys, we all know that 5C2. 5C2 and also 3C3. This one case possible. Or, what's the meaning of or? Or means plus extra cases. You have to add those cases also. Or we're going to select like this, guys. What like this? Everybody just try to tell me what's that? 5C3. 5C3 and also what, guys? And also what? 3C2. So this is the way we are selecting. This case, 2 boys, 3 girls. This case, 3 boys, 2 girls. But both are satisfying at least 2, at least 2. So here you may have a chance of getting multiple cases. Are you understanding what I mean to say? That's good. That's good. So yeah, you can calculate that. Some people say 60, some people say 40. 5C2, that's 10 into 1 plus 5C3 is also 10 into 3. The answer is 40 ways. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Clear? So there's nothing wrong in this thing. Clear? So what is this condition, guys? What is this condition? In the previous condition, we have seen that exactly 2 boys, exactly 3 girls. But the condition different. Minimum 2 boys and minimum 2 girls. Minimum means you'll get a lot of cases. Are you understanding, everybody? Have a look, everybody. This question was given in this thing. What is said that? Not this question. Leave this question, everybody. Okay, this question is there. This question was given in Infosys, guys. What is said that? Sir, there are 12 dabba. There are 12 balls are there. 12 balls. These 12 balls are put in box X, box Y. There are 2 boxes. Box X, box Y. Are you understanding, everybody? What that? Equal half. Equal half means 6 balls here, 6 balls here. Means there are 12 boxes. These 12 balls are taken and put in box X 6 balls and box Y 6 balls. Equally, you kept in 2 boxes. How many ways we have to select? 8. 8 students have to be selected student. Are you understanding? In the previous question, how many students? Fixed 5 students must be selected. But it's not like that. 8 students have to be selected from this box X, box Y. Mandatory 8 people. That you should not negotiate. Okay, you can say 8 people or you can say 8 balls. Following, everybody? So that the condition says, guys, at least 2 from X. Minimum 2 you're supposed to maintain from X. And guys, minimum 4 you're supposed to maintain from box Y. Are you understanding, everybody? Chali, I want the answer from your end. Please try to do it, everybody. Minimum 4. Many people are getting this Infosys question. This what is the thing you're gonna have right now? You're supposed to maintain 8 people. Don't forget this 8 people must be there. This 8 people must be there. So minimum 2 from here, minimum 4 from here. चलिए, let's try to do here. Guys, sorry for that. If you take 2 and 4, guys, if you take 2 and 4, it will be 6. If you take 2 and 4, it will be 6. But you are supposed to maintain 8. In order to maintain 8, you should increase this one to 6. It's totally 8. Either you select the balls in the form of 2, 6, or you may have one more case, balls in the form of 3, 5. I mean, this is 3, this is 5. This is also minimum 2, this is also minimum 4. Or you may have 4, 4. Means why 4, 4, 8? This condition should be 8, guys. Okay. So is this minimum 2? Yes, sir. 4 means minimum 2. Is this minimum 4? 4. Students, why I'm not getting 5, 3? Sir, 5, 3 is not applicable because minimum 2 is satisfying here, but minimum 4 is not satisfying here. That's the reason we are ruled out here. So here we say 6C, here we say 6C2 into 6C6 or the meaning plus 6C3 into 6C5 or the meaning plus 6C4 into 6C4. Are you understanding, guys? Is that fine, everybody? Clear? So with the help of this, you can understand how to do these kind of questions. Clear? So he used at least. When he used at least word, guys, whenever he used at least, be careful in that. Suppose he did not use any at least. Clear? Let's try to go for the previous. Okay. Here, have a look here. On a shopping website, we have got purchased 3 shirts out of 6 shirts available. And 4 shirts out of 4 trousers. Means you have got 6 shirts available in the shopping website, and there are 8 pants, you can call trousers also. These are available. So how many ways we can select? 3 out of 6. And how many said 4 out of 8? That's it. Had you told at least 2 shirts? Had you told minimum 4 trousers? No. Are you understanding, guys, what I mean to say? Yes, that's true. So what is the best answer? As you all know that 6C3. And also pants, 8C4. It's a very simple question. When somebody said you know how many ways we can select like this, we can just say 8C3 and also these cases. But in case when they say at least, you have to maintain all the different cases. Are you understanding? So 6C3, you all know that. 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 1, 2, 3. And also 8C4, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 divided by what? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you know all that. 1, 2, 3 is 6, 6 out. This is 20. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s, that's what? Answer is what? 70. People say it's a 1400. That's the answer, Chennai. समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, आ रहा है. These are direct selections. But what was this, students? This was at least selections where you have to just try to maintain some kind of link. I hope everybody is understanding this. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Let's try to move forward, everybody. Okay. Now, sometimes it's not just selection of shirts, pants. Sometimes it's not selections of balls. Here, have a look here. Agra to Delhi, there are 6 routes. Means Agra to Delhi. How many routes are there? 6 routes. And from Delhi to Bhopal, that's what. Agra to Delhi, there are 6 routes going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many routes? 6 routes. Same fashion, from Delhi to Bhopal, there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the question, students? How many possible ways are there from Agra to Bhopal? From Agra to Bhopal directly, how many cases? It's very simple. He gave you routes. You might be thinking, sir, your routes kya hai? You know, is it permutation or it's combination? You might be having a confusion. But what you tell me here, how many routes are available from Agra to Delhi? 6 routes. And how many routes are available from this thing? 5 routes. Are you understanding, everybody? But when you book the tickets, when you have your mobile app and you are trying to book the tickets, you tell me, will you book 2 tickets for Agra to Delhi? No. You will not take 2 tickets. You will take only 1 ticket. Either a morning train or this 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 train. You will not select all the trains. You select any one train. That he will not tell you, that you should understand that. Select any one train. So tell me how many ways we can select one train, guys? One train. 6 trains are there. That is what? 6C1. Are you understanding, Priyanka? Clear? So how many buses are there from Delhi to Bhopal? Some buses are going on. Clear? Morning bus, that bus, this bus, वो bus, ये bus, Volvo bus. 5 buses are going on. So when you wanted to choose to travel, you will select only one. Yes, seriously, you will select only one. So 5C1. So guys, this is 30 ways we can travel from Agra to Bhopal. That's what, like Reshma says, Prasanna Kumar says, everybody says it's the same thing. Any one ticket. He will not tell you you have to purchase 2 tickets. No. If these many routes are there from Agra to Delhi and these many routes are there from Delhi to Bhopal, how many ways we can travel from Agra to Bhopal? It's very simple. Select any one route from here and select one route from here. That you have to understand. Following everybody? One more question. There are 5 shirts available in your cupboard. In your cupboard, 5 shirts are there and 2 pants are there. You have got only 2 jeans pants in your cupboard and there are 5 shirts. He's asking you how many ways you can get ready for the party. He's asking you how many ways you can get ready for the party. So, क्या आप लोग ऐसा करोगे, एक शर्ट पहनोगे और पैंट नहीं पहनोगे? ऐसा कभी होता है? Come on, will you select one shirt and 0 pants? No. फिर तो पार्टी नहीं रहती है, फिर कुछ और हो जाता है, isn't it? Yes or no? So, ऐसा कुछ फैंसी करोगे तुम, एक पैंट, 2 शर्ट, कार्टून जैसे 2 शर्ट पहनोगे तुम? नहीं. That's also not that. So what did he say here? How many ways we can get ready for the party? Only one line. He's not asking you how many you have to select. How many ways you can get ready for the party? Simple. You select 1 shirt, 1 pant, get for the party. So as somebody says, it's Bikram says everybody 5C1 into 2C1. That's what? 10 ways. People give these kind of questions to you. Following everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Clear? Now, let's try to move forward, guys. Let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward. Selections have very variety of selections. Yes. We have to do permutations. We have to do permutations with letters. We have to do selections. We have to do permutation and selection. Some questions are there where you have to apply 2. Permutations also, selections also. Are you understanding? That also we'll learn. No worries. Let's try to move forward, guys. Okay. Now, I just want you to do this question, everybody. Do this. Here you have got 3. No. Here you have got 5. Amit, Bittu, Chintu, Dintu, Intu. Following everybody, there are 5 people over here. So his father told Babu Ramesh, for your birthday party, at least one fellow you invite. At least one or more, whoever you want to invite. But don't have the party without inviting anybody. Ramesh have got this information from his father and Ramesh started inviting at least one. First he tried one fellow to invite. How many ways he can invite one fellow? That is 5C1. Plus, if he wants to invite 2, or means plus, that is 5C2, again 5C3, again 5C4, or else 5C5. Can you invite 5C6? No, 5C6 is not possible. Out of 5, the maximum people you can invite is 5 out of 5. So guys, let me just tell you what's the answer you got it. Here is what? Here this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, no, this is 10, and this is 5, and this is 1. So altogether answer is what, guys? 31 ways. Are you understanding? Like Manisha says and Reshma says, they have written 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4 till 5C5. Okay. To certain extent, this is okay. 5 bacha na, it's okay. Now let's move across, everybody. Have a look, everybody. What did he say here? In how many ways Suresh can invite 2 or more friends from a group of 10 friends? He's asking you 2 or more friends from a group of 10 friends. They have got 10 friends actually. So he wants to invite 2 or more. 2 or more means minimum 2. 1 is not allowed. 0 also not allowed. 2 people or more people. Following everybody? Clear? So you can possibly say the answer. You can possibly say the answer, students. 10 people are there. You can invite minimum 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 10, like that. But students, this is okay. Somewhere 10 people are there. You will try to calculate all this stuff. You'll just try to calculate all this stuff and try to get the answer somewhere. That's okay. Okay, clear? Let's try to move across and just try to see. Mahesh Babu wants to invite 1 or more, minimum 1 or more from a group of 25 friends. So now you tell me, guys, don't you think it's a very big, a big question for you? 25 friends are there. Minimum 1 people you have to invite. So you have to calculate 25C1, 25C2, 25C3, 25C25. Don't you think, students, this is a very big? Yes. So for solving this issue, we're going to have one small mathematical theorem. Are you understanding, everybody? We have a small mathematical theorem, everybody. Let's try to see that mathematical theorem, everybody. Yes. Okay, yes. Manisha, you are saying 10C2 to 10C10. That's okay. But try to listen, everybody, here. What's the mathematical equation? I'm going to tell you here. Clear? From NC0. Everybody remember, there are n people. Listen everybody, there are n people. You want to invite 0 people, that is NC0. Suppose you have to invite one fellow, that is NC1. From n people you want to invite one fellow, that is NC1. Suppose from n people you have to invite 2, NC2, 3 people, NC3, 4 people, NC4. For n people, NCN. Maximum is what? NCN. From n, you cannot invite n plus 1. So the maximum cases are NCN. The minimum cases are what, guys? The maximum cases are NCN. And what the minimum case, guys? The minimum case is NC0. From NC0 to NCN, remember always it should be equal to total 2 power n. This will save you a lot of time of yours. This will save a lot of time of yours. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Just to remember that this theorem says that from NC0 means 0 people are invited from n to maximum n out of n. To maximum n out of n. So the total is 2 power n. Don't forget that. What's the total, guys? The total is 2 power n. Following, everybody? Now, how it will be helpful for this Ramesh Babu? Then we will do Suresh Babu. Then we will do Mahesh Babu. Okay, everybody? Like, how many people are there, guys? 5 people are there. So tell me, guys. Tell me. Here, is this full or something is missing? Please tell me. In this equation, is it complete equation or not equation? Is it complete series or something is missing? Please tell me. What is missing in this thing? What is missing in this thing, guys? I'm waiting for you. What is missing in this thing? What shall I write down to make it fulfill? Come on, guys. You're genius. 5C0 is missing. Like Reshma says, here in this series, I wanted to make it perfect. In order to make it perfect, guys, we have to put plus 5C0. If you add this 5C0 to the given series, don't you think, guys, this is a perfect series? Yes. So, ab batao, from this thing, okay, this is a perfect series. You all know that. So, what is the value of this 5C0 to 5C5, guys? 2 power 5. Remember, 2 power n. 2 power 5. The n value stands for here 5, guys. The n value stands here for 5. So, kya kare apan 5? Now, let me ask you, guys, do you want this case? No. Okay. Do you want this case? Yes. Do you want this case? Yes. Do you want this case? Yes. You want all these cases. Are you understanding, everybody? Guys, if I'm going to ask you what case you don't want, sir, I don't want this case. So do one thing. Instead of doing all these things, you do total minus. Total minus, send on the right hand side. The one which you don't want, send it on the right hand side. So what you're sending? 5C1? No, 5C0. So tell me, guys, what's the 2 power 5? That is 32. Minus 5C0 is 1. What is 5C0? Inviting no one. If you do not invite anybody, 0 people you invite, that is also one case. That case you are supposed to subtract. So if you subtract that case, that is answer is same answer. That is 31 ways. As you told 31 ways, Manisha says and Reshma says, everybody have written the long series. So that is okay one way. But the other way is what? Time saving is what? Using this theorem. Theorem saves you a little bit of time. Following, everybody? Now let's try to go across this, guys. Clear? I don't want to do all this stuff. 10 people, I don't want to do it. If you wanted to make it perfect, what elements are missing in this series? 10C2 to 10C10. Come on, guys. What is missing in this thing? Yes, that's good. Very good. Priyanka ने बोला है, sir, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि 10C1 is missing and also 10C0. These two are missing. Yes or no? Chalo, if you add to all these series, these two, it will be equal to how much, guys? It will be equal to 2 power n. Batao bachcha, what is 2 power n? 2 power n is 10. Are you sure, everybody? But this 2 power 10 is a sum of all. This 2 power 10 is a sum of all. Are you understanding, everybody? But do you want all? No, I want only this thing. Following, everybody? Lashika says, abhi bahut easy hai. Sir, I don't want these things, sir. I want from here, sir. I want from here. I want the answer of all these things. Sir, who has the time? Who has the time to add all these things individually and get the answer? The easiest way of that, send these two on the right hand side. The easiest way is that send these two on the right hand side. How to send these two? Sir, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, minus 10C0. Go on that side. Minus 10C1. If you do 2 power 10 minus 10C0 minus 10C1, that is 2 power 10 minus 1 minus 11. Not 11, minus 10. So answer is 2 power 10 minus 11 ways. That you can do, Moin Fatima. That you can do. 2 power 10 is 1024, as you all know that. Okay, 1024 minus 11 is 1030. B. That's good, guys. That's good. Answer is B. So why it is not C? Because it's not permutation. We are selecting. Yeah, Mahendra is also saying B. Everybody is saying Sumal Agarwal. Let's see the question, what it has been given to you. This is the question given to you. How many ways we can select, this thing. So this is all the series. If you can see properly, just check it out here. If it is visible for you, I don't know whether it is visible or not, but this was given in the Aspiring Minds, that is AMCAT. For cognizant, it is written here for cognizant. Hold on, guys, this is a screenshot what we have got from the students so that they can do it. Are you understanding, everybody? Let's try to move forward now. Okay, let's try to move forward. Selections are okay. With minimum selections we have done, at least selections we have done, isn't it, everybody? Yeah, and we have done the Infosys question and we have done the selections based on this. Following, everybody? That's good. Now, guys, I just want you to check it out, 2 questions so that you can do on your own. Following, everybody? Chaliye, guys, let's ask you to do these 2 questions on your own, guys. Please do it. Mr. Javed, I've got 8 friends. Come on. Question number 1, question number 2. Make it fast. But 2 power 8 is a total case. You don't want 2C, not 2C. 8C, 1. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes, short questions you will be getting on basis of this thing. Are you understanding, everybody? I'm happy that you all people are getting good. Let's try to move forward now. Okay, let's try to move forward, everybody, guys. Good. Now here comes the question. Listen very carefully. Yes, I want you to listen very carefully. Yes. फिर से बोलूं? Listen very carefully. Chaliye, guys. Okay, now if a man have 3 numerical digits like 1 2 3 or 3 6 9, whatever. If a man have got 3 numerical digits and 2 alphabets any 2 like BC, no BC acha nahi, AB, XY, only 2 alphabets is available with him and 3 digits are available to him. How many passwords can be formed using exactly 2 digits and 1 alphabet? This is a condition for you. Using exactly 2 digits, only 2 digits you are supposed to use and only 1 alphabet. You cannot use both alphabets, not both alphabets. Any 1 alphabet you have to use and make a password. The condition of the password, when you set a password, 3-digit password. Following, everybody? Listen that. So let me just tell you here, 3 numericals is told, 3 numericals. What are the 3 numericals? A, 1, 2, 3, I'll take it. 1, 2, 3 are 2 numericals. And I want to take 2 letters, these 2 letters, A and B. 2 alphabets I'm taking. जो डांस कर रहे हैं ना वही वाला 1 2 3 I'm taking for example A and B 2. He has got these things, 3 numerical digits and 2 alphabets, suppose. So he wanted to make a password. For that password, you have to select 2 digits. You have to select 2 digits. Only 2 digits you have to select. And 1 alphabet. Come on, guys. How many ways we can select? 2 digits and 1 alphabet. Come on, guys. Tell me. Very good. You're genius. तुम लोग कर रहे हो. Everything you're doing fine. No. Guys, even if I take orally, you will not get 5. 1 2 A, 2 digits. I'm selecting 1 2 A, 1 2 B, 2 3 A, 2 3 B. 1 3 A, 1 3 B. Look, guys, even orally also I'm cutting in 6 ways. But in calculations, you should be more faster. It's not 5. You should not add, guys. You have to multiply. You should not add. You're supposed to multiply. Let's see here. Okay, 2. What you're supposed to select? 2 alphabets. How many ways you can select 2 alphabets, guys? 3C2. Only one letter. How do you say one letter? 3C, not 3C, 2C. 2C1. Are you supposed to add? No. You have to multiply the cases. Cases always multiply. That is 6. 6 ways we can select. Are you understanding, guys? 6 ways. Shall I show you 6 ways, everybody? Have a look here. I'll select 1, 2. For example, you think 1 and 2 I am selecting. But I want to select one alphabet also. Any one alphabet. Let's say B. Like this. 1, 2, B. Out of this 6, 1, 2, B is one way. Shall I select one more? Look, guys, I am teaching you something. I am selecting one more. Everybody. I am selecting one more case. 1, 3A. Sir, why you are selecting 1, 2? I am selecting this time 1, 3. Oh, your wish. You can select 1, 3 also. 1, 3A. Are you understanding, everybody? Are the things are clear to you? Yes or no? Like this. 1, 3B also you can select. 1, 3B also. Like this. How many ways we can select, students? 6 ways. Understanding, guys? That's good. 6 passwords are found. How many passwords, guys? 6 passwords. What you have done here? You have done selection. You have done selection. समझ में आ रहा है? जरूर. बहुत अच्छे. In these all 6 password, I will take one password. Let's talk about 1, 2A. I will take one password. Out of all the 6 cases, I'll take one password. 1, 2A. One password I'm taking. 1, 2A. But guys, can I interchange these people and create one more password? Come on, guys, you tell me. If I just try to take 1, 2A, 1, 2A. Do you think these two are same? Yes, they are same. But guys, even if these people are interchanged among themselves like this, A12, do you think these two are same passwords or different passwords? They are different passwords. They are different passwords. How you got this different password? By interchanging these people. Seriously, 1, 2A is different from A12. Are you understanding, everybody? 1, 2A is different from A12. I will create one more. Sir, not A12, sir, A21. One more password. All are different. Password means different only, na? Yes. You can open the lock with 1, 2A. If I apply 2, 1A, it's a different password. 2, A1, different password. I insert 1, A2, different password. How many such passwords are formed with only one password? 6 more passwords are formed. 6 more ways. How you got all the different passwords? I'm using these only to interchange. Are you understanding? Yes. 1, 2A, A12, like this. How many ways we can form? 6 ways. How to get the 6 ways? Very simple. Don't write all these things. Very simple. 1, 2, A. I'm telling you, guys, listen, everybody. How to get all these things? Very simple. Listen. Listen, guys. Simply, you do arrangements. How many ways I can arrange 1, 2A in 3 places? Guys, you all know that. 3 people, 3 places, 3 factorial. What factorial, guys? 3 factorial. How many ways? 6 more passwords are formed. So these 6 passwords are formed with 1, 2A. Don't you think 1, 2B also 6 cases? 1, 3A also 6 cases? All these 6 cases into 6 cases? How you got this 6? You got this 6 by arrangement. And you got this 6 by selections. Each password is selected 6 times. Each password is made 6 times. So altogether 6 6 answer is 36 passwords can be formed. Are you understanding, everybody? Prasanna Kumar is A12 is one password, A21 is one other password, 1, 2A is another password. All these are different passwords. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Clear? So, what I mean to say that Answer is what? 36. You know, students, why I'm supposed to multiply this? This you have done selection. What you have done here is what? Selection. But what you're doing here is what? Arrangement. How arrangement? Because I already told you guys. Look, 1 to A, these by interchanging all these things, you're getting one more password. Like this, interchanging means arrangements. Are you understanding, guys? So these kind of questions have been given where you are supposed to use, where you are supposed to do selections also, and you are supposed to do arrangements also. So is this permutation or combination or both? It's both. It's both, guys. I hope you all people have understood. Is that clear to you? Chaliye, say yes or no. Have to use permutation. Why did I make these all things? Why I made these kind of animations for you? This animation I've got it for you only to make you understand that here we can interchange and make new passwords like this. Will you do all these animations over here? No, sir. 3 people, 3 places, 3 factorial. That 3 factorial means what? 6 more ways. That's it. I hope everybody is understanding now. So kya kare? I just want you to do this question, everybody. Okay, this question was given in Infosys Drive. In this Infosys, I told you that there are 5 numerical digits and there are 4 alphabets. Can you see it? It's very minute. Do one thing. Do this thing. Same thing I have given. This is an Infosys question given to you. Make it faster, everyone. And you take 4 alphabets. The alphabets are A, B, C, D, for example. So you are supposed to do some alphanumeric words. Okay, everybody. So exactly 2 digits. 2 digits you are supposed to select and 3 alphabets. So what's the answer, students? 5C2 into 4C3. That is 40. 40 ways what you have done, students, you have just selected. But students, once you select one alphanumeric word, for example, 1, 2, ABC. If you select 1, 2, ABC, you tell me once again, can you interchange all these things and just try to make a one more? Yes, definitely. You can interchange all that. Why you say 1, 2, ABC? I would like to say ABC 1, 2. I would like to say A 1 to BC. Like this, if we keep on arranging, how many ways we can arrange 5 people in these 5 places? What is 5 factorial? If only one password, 5 factorial, like this, 40 passwords into 40 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial, guys, you all know 120. How you got 120? By arrangement or selection. How you got this 40? By selection. If you multiply these two, that should be what? Answer is 4800. So I believe everybody got the answer. The answer is Delhi. Are you understanding, guys? Yes or no? Now, so this question, what I was just telling you, was given in Infosys and we are doing that. Okay, everybody. So this is what the end of the session now. Following everybody. So tomorrow we are supposed to do, today we have done a couple of, like a combination questions. Tomorrow we have to do application of permutation and combination. And I'll also start tomorrow itself probability. Tomorrow also we'll start probability, whatever the kind of things. Following everybody, yes or no? So this is what the end of the session today, and what do you call about? Yes, as I've told you, like Python classes are starting. Okay, some people are doing the WhatsApp to me and asking